Hello everyone, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we are going to go over how to learn to dance for your wedding online. So let's get right into it. Also, if you are a ballroom dancer and you're into the whole ballroom dance thing, we do make ballroom dance t-shirts, and this is our t-shirt of the month. It's When in Doubt, Dance It Out. So be sure to check that out. We're going to have linked the versions that he and I are wearing, but we do have other styles and colors on the website, so go ahead and check all of those out. Okay, that being said, we do have a section on our website called BF Wedding, which we're going to get into, but that's all of how to learn to dance for your wedding online, okay? But we're going to demonstrate what we do have to offer. So we do have a few different styles for you. The first one is going to be Foxy. So the Foxy dance is our most popular wedding dance. We do have a whole what is Foxy video, which we can link as well. But basically it's perfectly designed for any of your wedding dance needs, whether it's your first dance, father-daughter dance, etc. Or maybe you're just going to a wedding and you want to have a go-to slow dance. This is going to be the one for you. Okay, so basically it's nice and slow. It's very easy and natural. It's a combination of walking and swaying. Of course, there's many more patterns that move on from this one. This is actually our 6-count basic or our cradle step. But we're going to link all of that below for you, and we'll demonstrate a few moves to music so you can kind of see what the Foxy is all about, okay? It does have the potential to stay on the spot and move around the floor, so that's something to consider. So our next style is the Rumba. This one is going to be a stationary one. It has a lot of capacity to open up and rotate, but this one is a classic box step. It also goes to a lot of popular slow songs nowadays. We do have a lot of other steps in the Rumba as well. This is a traditional American dance, but we've created a wedding version that's very comfortable for anybody. So if you're a beginner, don't stress out. This is a great one for you. It's another romantic slow dance style. Okay. The next dance is our V.Waltz, and this basically is our wedding style Viennese waltz we created for beginners. So this is going to be another slow dance, and each style goes with specific kinds of music. So if you are learning for your wedding and you're not sure on which maybe dance style fits best with your song, go ahead and comment down below and we'll get back to you on what style is going to fit best, or a lot of times they're interchangeable depending on the song. There are better or worse options, but of course you can kind of make it work. So if you do have a favorite that you've tried, or you look here and you like the best, go ahead and learn that one and we'll tell you if it can work or not, okay? So our last wedding style is our waltz. So this is our slow waltz, our classic box step. So it goes back to our box step like the Rumba, but this is going to be a straight timing. Of course, we haven't gone over any of those details quite yet. But it's another option. A lot of people have heard of the waltz before. It's a great dance to learn, especially if you just want to learn how to dance. Of course, all of these styles are. But this is a classic ballroom dance if you're looking for that beautiful Beauty and the Beast, traveling around the floor, eventually turning and feeling like a princess. This is a good style for you. So So those are our major 4 options that we do offer on our BF Wedding section on our website, which I'll link below. So the basic way that you can create your own dance is you learn the base, like one of these dances. Of course, we have many other steps. We have turns and tricks and dips, which also come with the BF Wedding. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna pick the style of dance, you're gonna wanna learn a few patterns, whatever you want, and then from there we do have intros onto the floor, we have exits, we have dips, and we do have a whole wedding tricks course if you wanna add in some flash, we like to call it. So go ahead and check that out as well. You can see a preview of everything we have to offer. But basically you have the option to kind of create your own dream wedding dance and learn in the comfort of your own home. So you pick from one of these 4 styles, you learn the moves that you like or that you want to make it as easy or difficult as you choose. From there you can add an intro onto the dance floor, a dip and an exit to kind of wrap it up, and then add some kind of like fancy moves in the middle, maybe at the chorus of the song. And that's how you can do our DIY BF Wedding, learning online in the comfort of your own home whenever you'd like. You can also feel free to contact us at any point if you have any questions, and we're more than happy to help. Our second option, if we have it, we do have a few choreographed songs to specific music. So for example, we have Lover by Taylor Swift, we have All I Want for Christmas Is You, and we have You Are the Reason, okay? So those are our 3 curated choreographies that we have right now, but if you're watching this video many, many months or years later, we have many more by then. So be sure to check it out and just see if we have your song. So that's another way. That'll be kind of like we do all of the work for you. We'll send you the video breaking everything down step by step. So it's a little bit easier in terms of convenience. If we do have your song, you don't have to create anything yourself. We just do it for you and when we send you the video. The last and final way that you can learn to dance online with us is our custom choreography. So this is basically the same as the DIY option, except now we're gonna do all the work for you. So instead of you putting it together yourself, you kind of let us know what your level is, when your wedding date is, and you kind of like say how many patterns you want. Basically, you get to custom design it for you, and then we put it together for you with you in mind based on all of your needs. So this option is basically all of the customization with none of the work in terms of creating it yourself. So that's our final option. I'm going to link all of these options below, and you can kind of learn by yourself, have us help you a little bit more. It's up to you. And of course, we'll put all of the information on the website so you can go check it out in more detail. But I hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and get started learning. We do have a bunch of stuff up on our YouTube channel where you can preview everything, so go check that out, and we'll see you again in the next one, guys. Bye.